This is a single needle sewing machine, a Juki 5410. In this video, we will review the basic parts and functions of an industrial sewing machine. Here we have the thread holder that holds the coat of thread. It keeps the thread tangle-free as it goes through the machine. There are many thread guides throughout the machine, so check your manual to make sure you thread your machine properly. Here we have tension discs. This controls the top tension of the thread. To increase the tension, you'll rotate this knob clockwise. To decrease the tension, you'll rotate the knob counterclockwise. Here we have the needle. It has a long groove on the left side. You can run your fingernail through that groove. This groove helps the thread glide through the fabric. Next, we have the presser foot. This holds the fabric down against the feed dogs and works with the feed dogs to pull the fabric through the machine. Next, we have the feed dogs, which are these metal teeth. If I rotate the hand wheel, you can see the movement of the feed dogs. The feed dogs are also adjustable. So if the feed dogs are too low, you'll get small stitches, but if they're too high, you'll get bunching. To the right of the machine, we have our hand wheel. If you rotate it towards you, you'll create a stitch. If you rotate it away from you, you'll create a back stitch. We have two locations for back stitching. We have a lever close to the front of the machine that you can push to create your back stitch, and a lever to the right of the machine that you can pull down to create your back stitch. Above that, we have our stitch length dial, 4 being the longest stitch length and 0 being the shortest. To the bottom right of the machine, we have our on-off buttons. This machine has a sewing speed control. If we move the control to the tortoise, we'll sew slowly. If we move it to the hare, we'll go fast. We also have our foot pedal at the base of the machine. The foot pedal is used like driving a car. So to start sewing, you'll push down on your toe, which will engage the sewing machine. To stop, you'll release the pressure on your toe. Next, we have the bobbin and bobbin case that are housed underneath the machine. The bobbin sits in the bobbin case, and both of these go into the machine. To show you how a stitch is made, I'll rotate the hand wheel so you can see the top thread going down into the bobbin case housing, getting looped on a looper to a hook and loop mechanism. Pulling it out, you can see the knot that is created to make a stitch. Those are the parts of a single needle industrial sewing machine.